to the next, the South Chapter President. We're going to have Devendra G. Surana. इनका हम स्वागत करते हैं मंच पर. He's a prominent Indian interlist and Managing Director of Bhagyanagar India Limited, a leading listed company in the copper and non-ferrous metal sector. With over 3 decades of leadership, he has played a pivotal role in driving the strategic growth and diversification of Surana Group across metals, telecom, and renewable energy. Heartiest welcome to you, sir, and he is here to share his thoughts and experience with us.
Good morning, everybody. We have been hearing about business, copper. I thought I'll talk about something else, and Sandeep said, please do it. तो मैंने IIM बैंगलोर से MBA किया और लोगों को मैनेजमेंट सिखाता था. Then I became the president of the chambers और आप सब लोगों की तरह से गवर्नमेंट से विनती करता था और काफ़ी चीज़ें पूछता था. फिर I became the entrepreneur of the year and then I was teaching entrepreneurship in schools and colleges. But then I realized what is most important in our life is happiness. और happiness हम लोग बाबा, गुरु ऐसे लोगों के ऊपर ही छोड़ देते हैं, whereas it is a very, very important topic. So I've made this talk. I hope you enjoy it. It's totally different. I call it the science of happiness, the maths, physics, and chemistry of happy people. तो सबसे पहले आते हैं हम physics पर. Physics मतलब physically what you need to do if you want to be happy. There are 4 things which you need to do physically every day if you want to be happy. First is a 30 minutes of exercise every day. It has been proved by research that 30 minutes of exercise is better than any antidepressant you can think or take in your life. The second, which is very important, is 30 minutes connecting with nature. We realize that whenever we are in nature, whenever we go to a garden or a seaside, we feel happy. But it is so important part of our life because we come from there, we need to connect every day 30 minutes with nature. The third thing, again very simple, you need to take 3 deep breaths every day, 3 times a day. It's very simple. The idea is not to take oxygen inside your body, but to remove carbon dioxide. We all know when we are stressed, our breathing becomes shallow. And we need to remember and take at least 3 deep breaths 3 times a day if you want to remain happy. The fourth is you need to sleep with the sun. We need to sleep when the sun is not there, not when the sun is there. So every hour of sleep before 12 o'clock is equal to 2 hours of sleep after 12 o'clock. So you need to sleep before as early as possible. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock is probably the ideal. So these are the 4 simple things. What did I do? Today I'm in Delhi. I spent 30 minutes walking to India Gate in the garden. I did my exercise. My nature is done. Obviously, first set of breathing is also done there. And because I got up early, I had to sleep early. So I did all this 4. Physics is easy. We come to chemistry. There are 4 chemicals in our body we need to generate every day if we need to be happy. They are known as the DOS. The dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. ये 4 chemical हमको रोज जिंदगी में produce करना चाहिए. Oxytocin is the most important chemical. Oxytocin is a chemical which we get when we touch, feel, hug, or pet people. और oxytocin जो जादू की झप्पी बोलते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. और मेरा तो ये मानना है कि मतलब this is my own theory, जिससे हम सबसे ज़्यादा टच करते हैं उसको हम सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक करते हैं. That's the reason we start loving our spouse. अपने बीवी को ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं माँ से. अपने बच्चों से ज़्यादा अपने पेट्स को पसंद करना शुरू कर देते हैं क्योंकि हम पेट्स को तो रोज पेट करते हैं लेकिन बच्चों को कब गले मिलाते हैं. So oxytocin is a very important chemical and we need to get it every day. और जब हम ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं या कुछ करते हैं तो हमको लोग ये मिलता नहीं है और इसका अभाव हमारे पूरे दिन पर लगता है. The second chemical which we need is serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical which we get when we help others, when we do prayer or meditation, or when we laugh heartily. ये भी हमारे रोज़मर्रा के ज़िंदगी में मिलता नहीं है. अपने को मालूम है जब हम कुछ चैरिटी करते हैं तो हमको अच्छा लगता है. It's not because the other person is being helped, it's because chemical is being formed in your body, which is a happiness chemical. तो हमको रोज मेडिटेशन, हेल्पिंग या लाफ्टर या तीनों रोज करना चाहिए. द थर्ड केमिकल इज एंडोर्फिन. एंडोर्फिन केमिकल वो होता है जो एक्सरसाइज और गेम से आता है, तो आपके पहले एक्सरसाइज किया तो एंडोर्फिन भी आ जाएगा. द लास्ट केमिकल इज डोपामीन. Dopamine is known as the achievement chemical. It is a chemical which you will get when you achieve something. Unfortunately, it's a very dangerous chemical because dopamine जब होता है कि हम कुछ acquire करते हैं, आज गाड़ी खरीदेंगे तो हमको dopamine मिलेगा, हमको कोई flatter करेगा, Facebook पे like देगा तो हमको dopamine मिलेगा. But dopamine is a very addictive chemical and you require more and more of it when you don't get enough. तो आज अगर हमको एक छोटी गाड़ी से डोपामीन मिला, कल बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए, परसों प्लेन चाहिए. और डोपामीन के लिए हम जब जाते हैं जब हमको दूसरे केमिकल्स नहीं मिलते हैं. तो अगर हमारे को दूसरे केमिकल्स का अभाव होता है तो हम डोपामीन करते हैं. अचीवमेंट कैन ऑल्सो बी फेल्ट व्हेन यू ईट चॉकलेट्स, मिठाई जो स्ट्रेस ईटिंग बोलते हैं, या अगर अपन लिकर लेते हैं, दारू लेते हैं, तो भी हमको डोपामीन मिलता है. So it's a very dangerous chemical which is normally used to make up for the other chemicals. So these are the four chemicals: dose, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphin. And the four physical ones, I've given an acronym by the name NOS: nature, oxygen, sleep, exercise. तो हमको रोज NOS और dose रोज लेना चाहिए. इसके अलावा when we come to the third area, happiness can only happen when we are in the now. अगर हम पहले का या बाद का सोचेंगे तो हम कभी खुश नहीं होंगे. अगर हमारा पूरा 100% फोकस अभी पर होगा तभी हम खुश रह सकते हैं. तो और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो भी एडिक्शन होता है उसमें दो चीज़ होती है. एक तो या तो वो डोपामीन देगा आपको या आपको नाव में लाएगा. कोई भी एडिक्शन, वेदर इट इज़ लिकर, वेदर इट इज़ ड्रग्स, वेदर इट इज़ गैम्बलिंग, एनी फॉर्म ऑफ एडिक्शन will give you dopamine and also it will bring you in now. We think we are liking what we are getting addicted to, but it's actually because we are getting into the now. हम past और present को भूल जाते हैं कोई भी addiction में, इसलिए हम उसको पसंद करते हैं. It's not because you like the liquor, it's because you are coming into the now. So you need to find out ways and means of coming into the now without using any addictive means if you want to remain happy. This is a very important part of being happy. And the last, because of the shortage of time, I'm trying to rush it all up. The last is maths of happiness. Maths of happiness बहुत simple है. एक छोटा सा equation है. Desires fulfilled divided by desires unfulfilled is the maths of happiness. The equation is very simple. Desires fulfilled divided by desires unfulfilled. हर गुरु बोलता है, हर महात्मा बोलता है, अगर आप डिजायर्स कम करते हो तो आपकी खुशी बढ़ जाती है. इट इज अ फैक्ट. इफ यू reduce your desires unfulfilled, your happiness will go up. The problem in today's world is when you have Facebook, when you have social media, you are seeing so many things which are happening across the world. You are enjoying a particular event and suddenly you see an update from somebody else, he's in Switzerland, and you feel FOMO. As soon as you feel FOMO, desires unfulfilled goes up. FOMO, by the way, is fear of missing out. ये सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है आज के दिन और ये अपने हैप्पीनेस का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. हम बकेट लिस्ट बनाते हैं कि मेरे को 1 2 3 4 करना है और हमारे डिज़ायर्स अनफुलफिल्ड बढ़ जाते हैं. तो मेरा मानना है हमको डिज़ायर्स अनफुलफिल्ड कैटेगरी में खाली 3 या 4 चीज़ रखना है जो अपने लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. उससे 2 चीज़ होंगे, हमारे डिज़ायर्स अनफुलफिल्ड कम रहेंगे तो हैप्पीनेस कोशेंट बढ़ेगा, एंड सेकेंडली यू विल बी फोकस्ड मोर on the 2 or 3 things which are very, very important in our life. So we need to look at how we can increase the happiness quotient. Because of shortage of time, I will just tell you the last part. How do we increase the desires fulfilled quotient? Desires fulfilled quotient को increase करने का बहुत simple तरीका है, practice gratitude. I think everybody tells us to practice gratitude, but we don't understand how important it is to increase our desires fulfilled quotient by practicing gratitude. all of us have 99 things for which we are happy. अपना घर, फैमिली, बंगला, बिजनेस, सब कुछ है, और हर एक को कम से कम एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमको मिसिंग लगती है, और हम उसी के ऊपर फोकस्ड रहते हैं. The minute you focus on gratitude, it becomes so easy for us to see that our desires fulfilled quotient becomes so high, and we start enjoying life. We are much happier than what we can ever be. So, Sankshipt mein, in a very short way, I have practiced science of happiness. I have shared it with you. Just for you to know why I am on the stage, I am the South Zone President of BME. I thought today I'll not talk about metals, I'll not talk about copper. I'll talk about something which, according to me, is much more important than all this. And I hope you had a good time. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. What a beautiful message we have got. We need to be happy. हम खुश तो हमारा काम भी खुश होगा हमसे. इसी के साथ दोस्तों, I hope all our delegates